Hello teacher, today I'm going to do about rational function. First of all, I'm going to talk what is rational function. Rational function is a type of function that uses algebraic fraction, which means that the numerator and the denominator are polynomial functions or functions with variables like a, b, c, d, e, f, g, etc. and coefficient, which is numbers. Also, the domain need to be opposite from 0. I'm going to do a function that is given to me, which is f(x) equal 2 minus 3 over x plus 1. First of all, we need to find the domain and range. To find a domain, we need to put this one, x plus 1 needs to be opposite from 0 to not make the domain 0. So domain is the opposite from, we put here x, domain is x opposite of negative 1. Now we find the range. The range cannot be 2 because 2 is here. So when 2 is minus or plus, it will be higher than 2 or lower than 2. So y cannot be 2. Now we find this is b, and then for a we find the asymptote. For asymptotes, x is equal to negative 1, which is from the range, and y is equal to 2. For the third step, we find the axis intercept. First of all, we find the x-intercept. X-intercept, so it means y is equal to 0. So we put 2 minus 3 over x plus 1 equal to 0. And then we move 2 here. So negative 3 over x plus 1 equal to negative 2. Then we take the negative sign out, so 3 over x plus 1 equal to 2. And then we cross multiplication, which will be 2x plus 1 equal to 3. Wait, no. 2 bracket x plus 1 equal to 3. Then 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2 equal to 3. Then 2x equal to 3 minus 2. 2x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1 over 2. So this is the x-intercept. Now we find, wait, I need to erase this. We find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, x will be 0. So it will be y equal 2 minus 3 over 0 plus 1. Then 2 over minus 3 over 1. So 2 minus 3 equal to negative 1. This is the y-intercept. So our x-intercept is 1 over 2 and our y-intercept is negative 1. Now we need to draw the sign diagram. So this one, it can be written as 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Wait, I'll show you how I get this. Like 2x plus 1. We make the denominator the same, and then we subtract from each other. X plus 1 and then minus 3, x plus 1, so it's equal to 2x plus 2 minus 3 over x plus 1, so we get 2x minus 1 and then x plus 1. See, this is the same. And our domain was negative 1, and our x-intercept was 1 over 2. Now we do the sign diagram, right? Sign diagram. So we have x, and the next one is 2x minus 1, x plus 1, and 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. So domain is negative 1, and x-intercept is 1 over 2. So our x-intercept, this will be equal to 0 in this equation. And also equal to 0 in this equation. And the domain will be equal to 0 in this one, and undefined here. So our a, which is 2, is positive. So in front of 0 must be positive, and the rest will be negative. And this one, our a is 1, which is positive. So in front of 0 is positive, and at the back of 0 is negative. So negative divided by negative equals positive. Negative divided positive equals negative, and positive times positive. Positive divided positive equals positive. So this is our sign diagram. And for the last step, we will need to sketch the graph. So I will draw the graph here. So our asymptote is x equals negative 1. Wait. Asymptote is x equals negative 1, and y is equal to 2. So we'll draw our asymptote first. So y is 2. This 1, this 2. Y is 2. So the line cannot be passed by 2. And then x is equal to negative 1, which is here. Negative 1. Now we will mark our y-intercept and x-intercept. Our x-intercept is equal to 1 over 2, here, 1 over 2, and our y-intercept is equal to, it was negative 1. So we will mark it down on here. 1 over 2 is here, and negative 1 is here. This is 1 over 2, and this is negative 1. So we will draw the graph by touching 1 over 2 and negative 1. Okay, so this is our graph, and we will reflect it on the way here. So we will reflect like this is 1.5. So it's also 1.5. This is 1.5 here, 1.5, and go down by 2. 1.5. Okay, you mark it. So it goes out by 1.5, 1.5, and then here, and go here's 2. This one point, this one which reflects from this one, okay. And this one it goes here by 2, it's 3 and 1, 3 and 1. So we go here 2, 3 and 1. Here, which is this point. Now we will draw it up here. So this is the point that we marked. This reflection, this point reflects from this one, and this point reflects from this one. I will draw the reflection. So this is our graph. Our sign diagram is this: x, -1, and 1/2, right? And over y, and this one is undefined. This one is equal to 0. This one is plus, minus, plus, which I explained earlier. And this is plus, here -1, plus, because it go up, the graph go up, and then minus here, no, minus from 1/2. Because there 1/2, to the right it increase, which is plus, and to the left side it is negative because it decreased down. Just to show, so this is our graph. So for my conclusion, there are a lot of steps for solving a rational function, but after I did this project, it helped me understand it easier, and it shows me that each step is very important for solving a rational function. If there is one small mistake when answering a rational function, it will affect the graph, or the answer will be wrong. Thank you for listening, teacher.